Asset Manager is where you enter the details of your crop. This info is then used in the prescription of pre-plant fertilizer applications, to build in-season nitrogen recommendations, and to deliver accurate growth stage, insect pest, and disease information in crop models. In the dashboard, click on this icon to enter Asset Manager. If you wish to add additional information to an existing field, check the box to the left of the field name and then click on the pencil icon at the top of the page. Here, you can enter all necessary information, such as your crop info or your seeding info. To edit multiple fields at once, check the boxes for all the fields you wish to edit and then click on the pencil icon. Here, you can scroll down to view the fields you have selected. You can also click on the multi-edit box at the top and slide the toggles of any data entry fields you want to edit. In this example, we'll perform a multi-edit for seeding date for the two selected fields. Click the toggle button for seeding date here to enable the edit. Then, click on the calendar icon and select the new seeding date. When finished, press Save, and your fields will now contain your changes. Visit our support page for more FarmCommand instructional videos and other valuable tools.